guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I do post Saturdays at 5 p.m. Guys, let's not even talk about it. I did not post on time last week, so my apologies. My normal schedule is Saturdays at 5 p.m. though, guys, so clock in, set your alarm. In today's video, we're going to be doing a self-care day, guys. I genuinely feel like I've been needing a self-care day. Honestly, for a while, I feel like I've just been very consumed by work and editing and everything, and it's really just taken a toll, I feel like, on my mental. I already did go ahead and record some stuff last night. I did go ahead and like take a bath, shave my body and everything like that, or everything bath, I guess. But I do want to go ahead and just do some other things to go ahead and finish off my self-care, because I definitely feel like it is needed. Other things that I do want to go ahead and get done, I do want to go ahead and shave my face, do my lashes, put on a face mask, and also do my skincare. Since I said that I already did go ahead and record some stuff yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and include that right now. So I'll see you guys again soon. Okay guys, so now that we have finished our everything shower, it's time to go ahead and start shaving our face. So if you watch me regularly, then you know that I like to use this. This is aloe vera gel, and I feel like this is the best thing to use to go ahead and shave your face, because I feel like it's natural, it's not doing too much. Okay, I cut myself, guys. That actually high-key hurt. Got our thumb taken care of. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a slob of this. It's actually very cold. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and just finish shaving my face. My face looks super smooth. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and choose a mask that I'm gonna put on my face. So guys, I have a collection. This is how much I have. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this face mask on. It's so cute. How to use: cleanse face and pat dry. Apply the sheet mask, aligning it with face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove and massage in the remaining serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. Before we do that, it obviously says cleanse face and pat dry. I'm gonna go ahead and wash our face so our face can be clean. I have switched from the one that I was using previously. I think that was Penoxyl. It is a very good product, trust me, but I just feel like my skin is honestly getting used to it, and I need to switch it up, obviously, because I've been using Penoxyl for literally like a year and some change, maybe, because I feel like it isn't really doing anything for my skin anymore. So the La Roche-Posay foaming facial cleanser, that's the one that I use, and literally I used it last night. I woke up, went hours without putting anything on my face. My face was not oily at all whatsoever. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay guys, and also I got something in the mail. Literally just opened it up, but I got a niacinamide brightening toner. I just love like buying stuff for skincare. Like, I just feel like a girl every time I do that. Whoa, I need to put this stuff on ASAP, y'all. I'm getting ashy. When I tell you, I didn't start genuinely taking care of myself until my senior year. I was so consumed by my depression, I didn't even want to take care of myself. Like, not gonna lie, went days without showering, days on days without showering, days without brushing my teeth. I thank God so much for putting me in a place where I'm able to take care of myself in such a way. I take care of His creation, I take care of my temple. I feel so loved, you know, because, you know, before I genuinely didn't like myself. I hated myself, like, actually. I'm very happy and I'm very thankful that God has changed me. guys. Literally putting on serum after you just saved your face feels like my face is burning. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting the face mask on. Cause a couple in enough bobbles up. Okay guys, so I just finished with the mask and I also put my moisturizer on. But we're gonna install some lashes, guys. We're gonna put on some lashes, guys. I literally have not had lashes for like 2 weeks. Not even joking. Also, the glue that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be trying it out. I always like try out new glues and stuff like that. This was recommended by my favorite. This was recommended by my favorite YouTuber. So I just got it. This is the Kiyu glue set. Very excited to use it. I know my girlie is probably watching this. Esme, I got you, girl. I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to put your clusters on because I gave her some clusters, guys, for her birthday. Oh. Y'all, tell me why it's freaking bent. If you know me, you know that I'm a long lash girly. So am I gonna put on 18? I don't think I'm going to. Not yet. We're gonna get the bond after you put it under your eyes, and this is how you make it last long too, because I like having my lashes on for a while. I'm not gonna lie, maybe like a week and a half. You're just gonna place it like right underneath. Try not to get it too close to your waterline because ouch. Once again, gonna get the bond. We're gonna put it on the lash band as well, not like on the full lash, okay, please. We're gonna grab it and then you're going to, I don't know how you don't look stupid while doing this, but same thing. Just place it where it needs to go and she will sit there looking gorgeous as always. Like, hey guys, so I just finished my lashes. They look so cute. But anyway, I'm just gonna put the seal on the bottom because I didn't do that yet. These are the lashes, y'all. They look so cute. But now we have to do the last thing, y'all. Literally, when I tell you it is 11:31 p.m. I am going to put the wig on right now. I'm not gonna style it, but let's go ahead and get started because I'm not trying to be doing this all night. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some alcohol on my face though. So now that the oils and stuff are off this area, now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the wig. So let me go ahead and grab it. Look at the curls, like they look so much better than they were looking like. Okay guys, so I got the sprays from the wig dealer. I don't think that this is my shade anymore, so we are gonna add just a little bit of tint to the wig. We're gonna go ahead and get our brush, slightly tap it on the wig cap. You don't want too much in one area. I don't even think anything is coming out. That's the crazy part. tell you, rising up on the street. I look like that. I look like whoever singing that song. Hold on. But let's style the wig and everything first before I make any final decisions. Let me get this bad girl out. Not in the middle whatsoever at all. Every single time I install a wig, it's never in the middle, but I always make it work because I'm not gonna install it again. You know, I already did a middle part, so why not do a side now? Like, you know. Okay guys, so I just switched my camera because I needed to get this last piece of footage and that camera tweaking on me. So anyway, this is what I ended up doing to the hair. I'm sorry I didn't record it. I did go ahead and put it in like a cute little side part. I didn't do too much. I just literally flat ironed it and that was it. I love how it looks. This is so cute. I know that I gotta rate it and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that with you guys. And my lashes, as you guys see, I shaved my face. I did like my skincare, and then also I did go ahead and also put on a face mask too. So I feel like this was a very successful night routine. Not even a night routine. This was a very successful video, and I'm very happy that I was able to go ahead and do this because literally I love self-care. Like I said previously in the beginning of this video, I literally have been needing to do this because I feel like I really just haven't, and it's probably why I've been feeling so like drained with everything. Yeah guys, this is basically the complete video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I really enjoyed taking you guys along with me, and this is your sign to literally go ahead and take a self-care day. You know, go get a facial, go get your brows done, go get your maintenance done. Like, I'm literally telling you, you will feel so good after you do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.